Many times I wanted to give up to doing the restaurant, but I don't know. I love the cooking. I'm still doing here, and finally the guest comes from all over the world. Yeah, this is my job.
Hi, welcome to Japan by Food. I'm your host, Shizuka Anderson. Today I'm in central Tokyo near a station called Hatchobori Station, and I'm going to be checking out a very high-end tempura restaurant called Tempura Ono. And it's said to be frequented by a lot of elite and even celebrity clientele. So it's encouraged to dress up when you go there. So I'm dressed a little bit fancy today, and I'm very excited to try a high-end tempura course meal because I've never had one before. So let's go check it out. Here we are. The building, as you can see, is very unassuming. It actually looks like a regular office building, and it's hidden very secretly on the 3rd floor. So let's go see what it looks like on the inside. Konnichiwa.
どうもいらっしゃいませ。
Hello.
Hello.
Nice
Thank
to
you for coming.
meet you.
Please have a seat.
Thank you so much. What a lovely restaurant you have.
Thank you very much. シェフの志村です。
よろしくお願いし
よろしくお願いし
ま。
ますす。
So, what kind of dinner will I be having today?
Yes, we have a very special omakase course.
I've actually never had a tempura omakase before. And what do you recommend to drink with the tempura?
Yeah, we have some recommendation. But first of all, I will recommend you the good champagne we have, a glass of champagne I want to serve you. Is it okay?
Yeah, champagne with tempura?
Yes, with Roland Perrier is super ultra brilliant. My restaurant concept is I have lots of good contracting farmers and fishermen in all of Japan. So I met them, and if I go there and eat, and finally it's very good vegetables or fishes I'm going to buy. So, and finally I'm gathering all of the good ingredients from all over Japan, and I'm going to cooking my tempura to my customers.
You have such a huge selection of salts. Wow, I can honestly say I've never seen tempura served like this before.
Please enjoy the super soft premium soup by the mushroom.
Okay, well, let's give the soup a try. Oh, wow, that is a really good soup. So it's a really delicate mushroom soup. But it's not that like really thick, creamy type of soup. It's a delicate like mushroom broth that's lightly salted.
And today's white diamond salt contains lots of the mineral salt. So it's a very good spice for the taste of the soup.
It's not salty. It's just the perfect balance of umami and that kind of mineral kick from the salt.
And from now, please. Yes,
Mix
pick it up some, mix it really very well.
Okay.
Dry tuna flakes to the soup.
Okay.
Because you can make the special dashi soup by yourself.
All right, let's try the soup with the tuna flakes. Here we go.
More really good.
What a burst of flavor. It does taste more like a dashi broth in traditional Japanese soups, but you get that hint of mushroom. It's a really wonderful broth.
And the final is going to be a tempura, aged tempura today.
Aged tempura. I understand why you leave the skin on.
It's very
It gives a crunchiness.
Yes, exactly. And the texture is a little bit different, right? Fish meat part is very soft. And tempura surface part is a little bit crunchy.
Yeah.
And the skin part is more crispy, but you need a cut off the little bit power you need for the taste, right? I want to describe all of the different texture in the dishes.
Wow, it's a very unique tempura. And let's take a little sip with our champagne. Kanpai! Ooh, that is really tasty. I like that it's not too sweet because it allows you to focus on the flavors of the dish. It doesn't overpower it. It's the perfect complement, I think. That is beautiful.
Thank you.
So let's take some of the salt that he recommended, sprinkle it on top. Here we go. Wow, I've never had a tempura like this before, actually.
Yeah, as much as I can, I want to remove the extra butter.
There is only a very thin layer of batter, as he mentioned. I think because there's such a thin layer of batter, you can enjoy the umami and the almost shrimpiness of the shrimp even more. It's really special. Very, very different.
Thank you.
Thank you. This is so good. Let's try it with a little bit of lime on top. That is fantastic. Oh my goodness. I love that you can enjoy different tastes from one piece of tempura.
Okay.
That's fantastic. Now it's time to try the shrimp head with the legs on it. And I've heard that many high-end tempura restaurants will always serve this, and it's a sign of the quality of the restaurant. Wow, it's very crunchy. And the more you bite, the more flavor of the shrimp comes out. So it's kind of a concentrated shrimp flavor, but also a little bit of meatiness on the inside. Even if it looks a little freaky, it's worth a try, I think. It's very good, thank you.
Arigato.
How does the seasons change the tempura that you serve?
Yes, the best way is going to every month visit here because little by little, I'm going to changing the menu. If you come there 4 times in a year, you feel more strongly.
So you can enjoy the most out of tempura if you come 4 times a year, each season.
Exactly, that's the best way.
And I'm a little bit curious, but can you give me a hint what kind of celebrities have come here before?
Okay,
Pixar.
Staff and directors, Mr. John Favreau.
Whoa!
He's awesome.
The Netflix series. I know he's a huge fan of cooking. He even has a Netflix Netflix show.
What to do? He is working on a restaurant, right?
Yeah. That's amazing. And he came here. Well, thanks for allowing me to interview a little bit, but now it's time to dig into the dish.
Thank you very much.
So today we have the Maitake mushroom and the chestnuts, which are perfectly from the autumn season. That's very delicate.
Some salty and some sweet, and you can feel some like a sweet potato feeling.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. It's soft and fluffy like a Japanese sweet potato. That's beautiful. Let's try the maitake now.
Yes, already put on some salt on it.
Already salt on there? Yeah. Okay. It's a little bit hard to eat.
Yeah, it's really big.
Okay, here we go.
You feel so wonderful flavor, right? Maitake, mai means dancing.
You dance.
Take means a mushroom in Japan. The person who are eating and finding first, eating that, and he gets a so big shock. It was so delicious. So the secondary, he find it again. It is so long history. They want to start and dance because they knows the maitake is very delicious mushrooms.
It's so good. It's so good that I definitely feel like dancing for joy after eating it because maitake tempura, it's perfect. Also, what's great about this one is because of all the little mushroom leaves on this particular type of mushroom, you get so much extra crispiness from the tempura batter that's fried. And of course the umami of the mushrooms, and the salt is just perfectly matching the flavor of the mushroom. This is really good. Well, thank you very much for today and for serving me such remarkable dishes. This is amazing. I didn't know that you could enjoy tempura in this way as a course meal in so many different varieties. And the real course has more dishes, I think. But today we had only limited time, so I only tried a little bit. But if you come to this restaurant, you can try the full course experience, right?
Yes, of course.
So make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And we'll see you guys very soon in another video. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.